Yeah. You on that field, coach? Lacrosse. J&M Outdoors, baby. Happy Sunday. Let's get into it. Let's
Another lake.
Yeah, live.
You don't do that. You don't do that. That's perfect. Hey, stop reeling. Stop.
Another day, another bitch.
All right. That's right.
That's a heavy one.
Oh.
Wow.
Another day, another lake, baby. One. Biggest one today. Yeah, they are. Funny. To the other lake, y'all are gonna see some monsters.
Is that where we're gonna go?
Kaylee's.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I thought we were rod up. Just hold your rod up.
I got something, boys.
The camera, baby.
Another day, another lake. Let's go, boys.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Good shit, Donnie.
Shot. I got something, boys. Bring it in. I got something, boys.
Hold him, Donnie. Show the camera, baby.
Another day, another lake. Let's go, boys.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Yeah. Found it, baby. Good catch out there today. Good fishing out there.
You gotta ask Marshall that.
Hey, good fishing.
Thank
Hey,
you,
good
man.
fishing.
Good
baby.
fishing,
Good
good
fishing.
fishing.
Hey, good fishing out there today, baby. Hey, good fishing. Hey, what you gotta say to the people today, baby?
Fucking like a fake.
Cut some,
Hey,
cut some
another lake,
another day.
another day.
Yes.